All right, guys. This one a shocking one. And I know say for Edo State government in the past weeks demolished NBM building, new black movement. Some of them call them black ass, cultists, whatever. But new black movement have came out so many times to say that they are not part of it. They're not cultists. They are a charity organization and all that, blah, 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 blah. But as we talk, so NBM don't carry Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo go court for their building where they destroy. Listen to what they have to say here.
Neo-Black Movement NBM of Africa, through their team of 28 lawyers, where Chief Regina Ashiwu dey lead, don't carry Edo State government go court sake of say them demolish their secretariat where they Amagba. Them filed the case for Federal High Court for Benin City on Wednesday, June 4, 2025, as NBM they find justice for what them call illegal destruction of their property. Lawyers will represent Edo State government now Stephen Okuro, OC Igmenadion, CC Chinedu Esquire, and one senior advocate of NAIJA. For the court sitting, Edo State government lawyers talk say the third person wey them sue for the case never get proper court papers. Justice Chukwuobiozor, wey be the judge in charge of the case, come ask say make them show proof say them don't serve the person, but NBM lawyers come here and say they don't know where the proof dey, say them don't lost am. That one come make Justice Chukwuobiozor adjourn the matter go June 16, 2025 and come warn both parties say make them ready with all the correct documents and follow proper procedure before the next hearing. After the court sitting, Edo State government lawyers no gree follow Tori people talk, but Chief Regina Ashiwu, wey be the NBM head lawyer and one ogbonge member of the movement as them dey yarn with Tori people, come here and say them get strong confidence for their case.
This counsels to NBM of Africa. NBM of Africa is a charitable, non-governmental organization that its secretariat was illegally demolished by the state government of Edo State government, predicating on an obnoxious law. Although NBM as an organization was not mentioned in that law. But before a state government, a responsible state government, we demolish any property that belongs to any person or any organization, there must be an order of court to that. And that singular reckless act of the state government of Edo State is what we are here in court today to challenge and to declare it unconstitutional. We must fight this fight using the instruments of law. Two wrongs have never made a right. They accused our client, NBM of Africa, of being a cult organization that harbor cultists. And to a reasonable human being, it is not necessary to raise a blanket action on an organization. No doubt assuming without considering there are few miscreants in that organization, it has not made that organization a proscribed organization. After all, my client is well registered with the CSC of this country in accordance with the law of the country. And in view of that, they should have challenged the registration before taking any other steps to demolish it if there was prima facie evidence of their allegations. But they didn't do that. But instead, they went on without notice, maliciously, without fair hearing, without anything, without even recourse to the leadership of the organization, without giving them notice to come and take anything from it, and demolished everything. I've seen the pictures of the place, a gigantic building, well furnished, that even other people that are not members utilize this for their social functions. How then will you do that? How then will you do that? We are here today in the Federal High Court too, before Honorable Justice Chukwuobiozor, to ventilate our grievances. And we believe with what happened in this court today, we will get justice. Edo State government will be the last illegal demolition they do is this, because they will pay heavily for what they have meted out on our client. The next date have been adjourned to 16, and we will be here again, 16th of June 2025. We will come back here again to see that this, our case, is advanced in the interest of everybody, in the interest of everybody, in the interest of everybody. Not only my clients, but all other related organizations, registered organizations.
My name is Dr. Sir Okpebholo. I'm the president of NBM of Africa, Upper Southeast. We're here today with our team of lawyers to challenge the illegal demolition of financial headquarters at Benin by the Edo State government. We're here today to challenge the illegality of the government and to prove to the world that you cannot just, because you are a government, demolish a property that belongs to a legal organization. We are a well-registered organization, and the government should know that. So today we are here for the 4th June of 2025 to challenge the action of the Edo State government.
We go dey given a correct update as the court matter dey play, as the next hearing go help clear the matter wey surround the demolition and go show who get legal fault for the wahala. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojesele, TMC News.
I don't know how this fight want to go, but what's your take? Put on the comment section. Tell us how you say NBM want to win this fight against a sitting governor. I don't know. Maybe you might know one or two. Tell us. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting us on NAIJA Watch Media. Take care, guys, and bye for now.